Hi, my name is Meg. I signed up for this course because I wanted to learn how to use this technology, and because I'm also a hobbyist and I like to make things. So it's interesting because we have a lot of hands-on experience, plus we get to make our own stuff here. So I would definitely recommend it to my friends and my family.
Hi, I'm Matthew here. I signed up for this course because it's a good time for us to have some hands-on experience on the 3D printing industry. And this course is very interesting because you actually break down into many segments and step-by-step guide. Actually, is very fulfilling, and I'll definitely recommend my friends to join this course.